in the list of beneficiaries. Another issue raised was the reduction of allocated funds from the government's policy of 1 million to specific amounts chosen by leaders and the PDM committee.
Bona batunga sente, secretary wanje yatunga milioni, nabanda wabali bona batunga. Yoko na ichere mguza kunaka mu banka na shanga account anje hata liwonegana.
Minister Msasizi pinned leaders involved in the parish development model distribution, and some admitted to mistakes seeking forgiveness. Msasizi emphasized the importance of such engagements, allowing locals to voice grievances and find possible solutions.
Today's meeting was to check on the progress of the parish development model implementation at Hamuhambo Town Council and also broadly in Rwanda. We launched some months back. We launched the parish development model circle. All the circles, I launched them some time back in Rwanda. Now the next stage was to check on how we are progressing and identify the challenges people are experiencing.
Access of PDM, Chibuzje alone, 11 million was recovered, which was given to people who don't stay in that particular ward, actually coming from Kabad and receiving money from Rwanda, and 3 million was recovered also from Kagarama Parish, and also other areas that money we have recovered and given to the right beneficiaries. So far so good. The whole district, money which was initially misused, we recovered and gave it to the right people, and those ones who had done it, we arrested them to help in the investigation and recover this money.
In response, Minister Msasizi highlighted the focus on the second phase of the fund, aiming to avoid similar challenges and assist locals in utilizing it for poverty alleviation.
Recorded, we have our database. There are parishes which are within our database. Rwanda, for instance, has 69 parishes. The parish of Unyonyi exists under local government, but in our data as PDM it doesn't exist. So what we have guided across the country, wherever such situations exist, we have always advised them to get back to their origin, what some even call mother parishes.
The parish development model as a government strategy aims to organize public and private sector interventions at the parish level for wealth creation and employment generation.